Join me as I challenge myself to find the best 3 ETFs to secure my dream retirement and see if I can turn my savings into a nest egg. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are a type of investment that can play a crucial role in securing a comfortable retirement, offering diversification and flexibility to our portfolios. Planning for retirement can be overwhelming, with many challenges to consider, such as inflation, which can erode the purchasing power of our savings over time. Market volatility is another significant concern, as it can be unpredictable and impact the value of our investments. Lack of knowledge about investment options can also hinder our ability to make informed decisions about our retirement portfolios. Many people struggle to balance their current financial needs with their long-term retirement goals, making it difficult to prioritize saving and investing for the future. Inflation and market volatility can be particularly problematic for retirees who rely on fixed income investments, as they may not keep pace with rising costs. Additionally, the complexity of the investment landscape can be daunting, with numerous options available, making it hard to choose the right investments for our portfolios. The 3 specific ETFs that can help build a strong retirement portfolio are the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, the iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF, and the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF provides broad diversification and exposure to the U.S. stock market, while the iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF offers a low-cost way to invest in high-quality bonds. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF focuses on dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a relatively stable source of income. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF is a great choice for retirement portfolios due to its low costs and comprehensive coverage of the U.S. stock market. The iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF is another excellent option, as it tracks a broad bond index and offers a high level of credit quality. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF stands out for its focus on established companies, with a history of paying consistent dividends. Each of these ETFs has unique features that make them attractive for retirement investments, such as low fees, diversification, and potential for long-term growth. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF has a very low expense ratio, making it an affordable option for investors. The iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF provides broad exposure to the U.S. bond market, which can help reduce risk in a portfolio. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF has a strong track record of performance, with a focus on established companies that can provide a relatively stable source of income. The combination of these 3 ETFs can provide a solid foundation for a retirement portfolio, offering a mix of stocks and bonds, as well as a focus on dividend-paying stocks for income. By including these ETFs in a retirement portfolio, investors can benefit from diversification, low costs, and the potential for long-term growth. To recap, the 3 ETFs that can help secure a dream retirement are the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, the iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF, and the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, each offering unique benefits and a solid foundation for a retirement portfolio. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe for more financial tips, and share your thoughts in the comments about your own retirement plans or experiences.